Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your accounts on your Qanda app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on money down here. When you just click here on money, you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. You come here to look out here. So you just click on it. So then it's going to take you out of your account on your Qanda app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.